Dear students, greeting. Let us start our session with lesson 2 towards history. In previous session, we had discussed about the stone tools. Let us continue our session with remaining topics. Stone Age. Stone Age was divided into three types, that is Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age, Neolithic Age. Let me see one by one. Paleolithic Age. It is also called as Old Stone Age. It is a period in a human prehistory distinguished by the original development of stone tools. They used the stone tools to protect themselves, drive away animals, dig out roads, shoots, etc. Mesolithic Age, also called Middle Stone Age. The Mesolithic is the old world archaeological period between the Upper Paleolithic and Neolithic. People mainly used small stone tools during this period. These people were hunter and gatherer. Neolithic Age, that is New Stone Age. They used bones, horns, stones, skins, branches of trees, and sticks as their tools and weapons. This stage of development in history was called New Stone Age or Neolithic Age. These were the tools that is used by our early humans. Invention of fire. Humans noticed forest fire. At first, they were afraid of them. They also observed that the spark came out by scratching two stones together. They used the fire for cooking the food, protect from another animals, light during night, and fire is become very important for the man. Early humans used cloths, torches, tools, and weapons. The purpose of using them are below: to protect themselves from animals, to find the path at night, to protect themselves from winter. Invention of wheels. Today, wheels are used in cars, bicycles, wheelchairs, etc. Life without wheel is not possible today. Many hundred of years ago, human beings feeling struggle to move from one place to another. Later on, they used animals like elephant and bullocks to carry their goods. Early men observed a round object rolled on the hills, which gave them the idea of to make the wheel. Later, in various changes were made in the uses of the wheels. Wheels was made by stone, later by wood. This was the first scientific invention, human using their brain and cognitive skills. Pottery. It is the greatest invention by human. The backed pot was strong and looked beautiful. Pottery vessels are used in cooking, storing, or collecting water. Wheels are made too. Pot making were easier. They decorate the pot with lots of colors. Color dyes extracted from the roots, leaves, or barks. Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. Artifact means articles made by humans. Houses. Stone houses were built. The roof of these houses were attached with stick. After the human more invention, they started to living in a settled life. Agriculture. Agriculture were the important activity in early period. They started cultivating crops. They sowed seeds and harvested crops. First, they started the agriculture for their daily needs. After they had grains in excess of what they consumed, they started to store in a warehouse for their future houses. Warehouses means storing places. Burial parts, that is also called haunts, in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. In this session, we learned about Stone Age. Remaining all to be continued in next session. This is the activity for you. Make a museum. Find out about 5 things from the past. Collect the pictures of an old items and paste them on chart paper. Take a snap and post it in WhatsApp. This is a worksheet for you. Learn and write for 2 times. Thank you.